This is Ginny. He is a short-tailed stray cat that we found in the boy's bedroom when it was only about 6 weeks old. We don't know how it got in there, but the boys fell in love with him, so we decided to keep him. Our other cat, Ginger, sadly went missing. We never did find out what happened to him, so Ginny took over the role of our pet cat.
Have you got an easy life? You're talking to me. Oh, who's that? He's jealous. You're talking to him? Have you got an easy life?
Although Ginny and Snowy aren't exactly best friends, they do tolerate each other. So this window here we leave open for Ginger so he can come and go as he pleases. If he wants to come in for some food, to sleep, he can do. If he wants to go out exploring, he can do. But I was a bit surprised. I was cleaning all around here, taking the sofa out, and I noticed another cat was underneath the sofa. So I tipped up the sofa to get him out, and then I realised there were kittens in the bottom of the sofa. So after finding out, my boys were so excited, and without hesitation, they decided they wanted to look after them and feed them. So we put down some bedding and gave them some food and water. The mother was very nervous at first, but eventually she slowly started to relax and was able to eat the food that we gave her.
Hello.
After about a week, we managed to take a closer inspection of the kittens while the mother was away. Their eyes were starting to open and they looked quite healthy. So there are 2 ginger kittens which look very much like Daddy.
Hello.
This black one looked a bit feisty. And this ginger looks friendly and healthy, and also looks very much like Daddy. The last kitten was black with a black and white face. He also seemed healthy and was very vocal.
Hello. What's your name? What should we call you? You hungry?
Over the weeks, they continued to grow and seemed healthy and happy in their home. Mother was starting to look more relaxed and seemed content with how things had worked out for her. Then, one morning when we went to feed them, they were gone. Eventually, we found them. She had moved them to these tyres behind the classroom. Well, we had a shock. The kittens had been moved, and she moved them into here, but they're gone again. So, I don't know where they are. She's found another home somewhere. Oh, just found it. She's under here. She's very nervous. Hello, you hungry? You want some food? I'll get you some food. Okay? Some delicious Christmas food. There you go. There you go. Yum, yum. Good cow. Oh, she's there. Coming back home. She ate all the food. So I'm going to bring it to an end for this video. So if you want to know the progress of the kitten's life, look out for my next video and I will keep you posted. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon.